page number 183. Wait a minute, let me check.
I have 134.
It is 184, I think. No, 133. So, very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I request everyone to write today's date at the top of the page.
Ma'am, 133, no?
Yes?
133, no?
Yes, 133, the first page of this chapter, chapter number 12. How heavy, how light? Done, everyone? Open the books. Everyone written the date on the top of the page. I am going to present my screen.
Hello,
And
ma'am.
yes, Moksh, tell me, bacha.
Ma'am, you send the worksheet 2, no? Worksheet 2
Open the, yes, tell me what is the doubt in the two.
Worksheet 2, question 4, solve the following. In that it was if 3 potatoes together weigh.
Wait, let me open the worksheet.
What is the weight of each potato? So I have
My
done.
dear students, can I talk with this child? Moksh, I am opening the worksheet. Then you speak. First, let me open the worksheet. Worksheet number 2 you are talking about.
Yes, ma'am. Question.
Let me open this. Then only I will able to understand what you are talking about. Okay. In this, which question number you are talking?
Question 4.
Question number 4. Okay. Yes. Talk about now.
Ma'am, I have done division, so it is okay.
You have done
Division of that number.
division. The 3. Yeah. In this, you have to do division only. 3 potatoes together. Weight is 450. What is the weight of each potato?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's okay. Any doubt? Anything else?
No, ma'am. In both
Yes,
of them, we have to do division, no?
Yes.
Ma'am.
In the second one, I have converted 1 kg to 1000 grams.
Yes, 1 kg, 1000. Okay. Yes, Dhvani.
Ma'am, in the worksheet, convert grams into kilograms. I have not written, so I'm
You
confused.
forgot?
No, I have not forgot.
Your voice is not coming. It's breaking. What you are trying to tell me, beta?
Ma'am, in worksheet,
Can you
convert.
please allow? Dhvani, can we clear your doubt after some time?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Jiju and Manu were shifting house. They loaded all their things on a horse cart. There were many things like a water tank, 5 sacks of wheat, 3 tables, an almirah, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses. Mattresses, you all know, that is,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, on which you sleep. Gadda जिसे कहते हैं, that is mattress. 3 sacks you all know, bori, jute bags, 3 sacks of rice, a bamboo ladder you all know, Siddhi, pots and pans. ये सब कुछ था, उसको ले जाना था. They want to load this way. Close the light, Neha. When they were ready to move, the horse refused to start. They wondered why. The father said that this horse was not well and would not pull a load heavier than 700 kg. Oh, but how heavy is this load? They asked. First, what they did is turn the page. There is a list of the load given. First of all, you have to add.
Ma'am, see the horses crying.
This is the list given. See, my dear students, individual queries will solve once I'll complete this. Write down your queries and ask after the class. I'll give you 5 minutes for the queries. Done total. Now they are asking, find out the total weight they had loaded on the cart. What is the total weight? No. 310. 310. So when you add this, it is 310. But now they are saying 5 into 100 is 500 because there are 5 bags of wheat and 3 bags of rice. So it will be 105. One water tank which will be 50. One is for Almira 70. 3 tables 30 kg. 4 will be chairs will be 20 kg. So what do you think? कि उसको क्या हटाना चाहिए so that he can take 700 kg? What we can remove?
Ma'am, sack of wheat.
Sack of
Wheat.
sack of wheat if we remove तो 500 kg remove हो जाएगा totally.
Ma'am, I don't.
Because if we do the total now, it is 885. So which items we can remove?
Ma'am, mattress and chair. Ma'am, chair and mattress.
Sack of rice is 105.
Mattress. Chair and mattress.
So how many sack of rice we can remove? 1 sack of rice we can remove, and what else? Because it is now total 885. To make it 700.
Ma'am, chair. Ma'am, mattress. Almira.
70.
Ma'am, Almira 70 kg.
What is the suggestions you all are giving?
Ma'am, Almira 70 kg. Ma'am, Almira.
See, if we remove 1 sack of rice, okay, which will be 105. So from 835, if we remove 105, what is remaining?
800.
How 800? 835 minus 105.
Ma'am, 730.
735. 730. Now still 30 you have to remove. So 1 table, 1 sack of rice and 1 table if we remove, then it will be equal to the 700. Got it, everyone? So you can write here that if you remove the one, that means you total 135 का weight आपको निकालना है. So you can remove 1 sack of rice and or the wheat, दोनों में से एक. But if you remove 1 sack of rice, not 1, that is 3 sack of rice अगर आपने निकाल दी, which is 105, and 1 table when you remove it. Just a minute.
Ma'am, it is 3 tables.
3 tables, no. Yeah, 1 table of 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so 3 tables when you remove and 3 sacks of rice when you remove, then it will be equal to the 700. Clear? Any doubt to any child? Okay, now come down. The things which, now children, here they are showing how they made weighing scale, which I also told you. You can also try at home and make the weighing scale. They have made this weighing scale and then they are measuring this mattress. The things which were overloaded on the cart were big in size and also very heavy. To measure the weight of such heavy things, we need a weighing big balance. So, but Jiju and Manu wanted to make their own balance. They collected the few things, a stick, two lids, and a thick thread, they made this weighing scale. So you also make your own weighing scale and draw the picture of the weighing scale. Here, the image which is given down. Go to the next page. This is an activity 135. Manu and Jaju put a pencil and a geometry box in two pans, because you all know that in a weighing scale or a balance scale, there are two pots, one and the another one. So in the one side they have put the pencil and the another side they have put the pencil box. So what do you think? Which will be the heavier one?
Pencil box.
Go down.
Pencil box.
Harsh Keshwani, which will go down? Why? Pencil will go down.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, a
Always
geometry
remember
box.
the heavier object will go down. Always remember the heavier object, जो भारी होगा वही नीचे झुकेगा. So what do you think? Pencil is the more heavier or the pencil box? Pencil box.
box.
So pencil box will come down. Pencil box will be down and pencil will be up. Clear? This concept is clear. The heavier object will come down.
Yes, ma'am.
So make a pair of different things and use the balance scale to decide which is heavier. This also we have done a practical here in the class. You all had explained with the things. Like here also we can take some object and fill this table. Orange is the lightest. That coconut is in between, and then we can say pumpkin is more heavier. Same way we can write more example. Pen, book and dictionary. So pen is the lightest, book is little heavier. In between the dictionary and the pen, dictionary is more heaviest. Same way glass, jug and the bucket. So bucket is more heaviest, glass is lightest, and jug is in between the bucket and the
Ma'am,
jug is in between. So this table also you can complete after the class. You can write your own answers, not this. Turn the page. This is also an activity, making the weighing scales. Make the weighing scales. Try this. Take a soap bar, because on a soap bar the weight is accurate written on that. 200 gram or 100 gram. And on the one side put a soap bar, and on the other side equal to the soap bar you can put anything, whichever you want to measure, and try this activity at home. Come on the next page, which is the practice time. Okay, which pan of the balance will go down? You all know the heavier will go down. So first one is already done for you, which is 40 plus 35 is 75, and 40 plus 25.
Ma'am,
Only you have to draw the arrow, which is the heavier. Fast draw this.
Ma'am, second one answer is 35 and 141.
Excuse me, ma'am. The page is thick in the between.
Arnav, speak little louder.
Ma'am, this page after 130 35 it is thick. 136.
So open it.
It is not
Take scale. You will able to open it from the middle. Yes. Any other child? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt to show which is heavier? Yes, Dhvani.
Ma'am, I want to.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
You have a doubt, Dhvani?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Rishik. Any doubt?
No, ma'am, but ma'am, can I answer
You
the
want to
second
give
one?
the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Now in the second one, which is the heavier?
Ma'am, 141.
Yes, 140 and 35 is the heavier. So you can draw the arrow, because when you add both the sides, the total of one side is 150, another side is 175. So 175 is the heavier. So draw the arrow like this.
Ma'am, can you turn on the chat box?
Completed?
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am, can you turn on the chat box? We
What
can write
happened,
answers.
Rishik?
Ma'am, I am telling, can you on the chat
Rishik, your
box?
one time voice is coming good, other time it is going block. So how I will able to listen you, bacha? Please speak clearly.
Ma'am, he is saying go open the chat box
Okay, open the chat box. Wait.
for the answers right.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am,
Yes, you can write the answers in the chat box. Chat box is open. And let me take the attendance also for a minute. Aradhya is showing his book. Can everyone pin? Let me check also. In the third one, which is the heavier?
Ma'am,
150 and 251 one, yes?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I see the next
Just a minute.
Ma'am, can I just see the answer of the next one?
Yes. And what about the fourth one?
Ma'am, 700, 245, 55 grams.
Write in the chat box the fourth, which is the heavier. Yes, Moksha. 700, 245, and 55. Which is above the fifth one, which is the heavier side? 196 and 20. And what about the sixth one?
6300.
Manya, Moksh, Tej.
163. 100 grams and 63. So it is 163.
Arnav Desai, 196 plus 20 gram also is there.
I enter it, so my mistake is there.
So can we go to the next now? Is the weight on? Now listen the question very, very carefully. The 2-star mark questions are given down. Is the weight on any of the pen equal to 1 kilogram? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, in fourth one. Fourth one.
Fourth one. In the fourth one, 700 gram, 245 gram, and the 55 gram equals to 1000 gram, which is equals to 1 kilogram. Any doubt to any child? You have to write fourth one,
Ma'am,
or you have to mark also there.
I have marked it.
No, now next question. How many grams are there in 1 kilogram?
1000 grams.
1000
Grams.
1000 grams.
Yes. 1000 grams. Turn the page. Name 5 things that we usually buy in grams and in kilograms. Which things you buy in grams, which things you buy in kilograms. Write in the chat box.
Ma'am,
No one will turn on the mics. Write in the chat box. Tej Kumar, sugar in what? Write that unit also. Sugar in kilogram or the gram? Sugar will be in both, gram and kilogram both. Moksha, dal also in gram and kilogram both. Rice also kilogram, gram both. You know some spices or masalas that we most of the time we buy in the gram only. I'm telling gram and kilometer. Who is writing, Tej Kumar?
I was writing K.
Why by mistake? Like chili, we can buy in grams also. Chili.
And by mistake, I wrote chili spelling.
Hello, ma'am. Rice.
Mantra, papers. We are writing about the items. Yes. Okay. Now wait.
Ma'am, rice.
Chili, black pepper. Then this, will you able to do it? Complete it?
Ma'am, I wrote tomatoes.
Is
You can buy in kilogram.
written same.
Ma'am, sir.
Okay. Now, this is also very interesting. Which is heavier, 1 kilogram cotton or 1 kilogram iron?
Iron.
Iron.
Beta, why 1 kilogram iron is heavier? Can you explain? Wait. Shivani and Mohammed. Why 1 kilogram iron is more heavier than the 1 kilogram cotton? But beta, both are 1 kilogram. Both are with the weight. Only this. Yes. But both are 1 kilogram. If I am telling with the proper measurement, I am telling the weight of both the things, the book and the remote is 500 grams. So now tell me which is heavier.
Ma'am, equal.
Both are same.
Ma'am,
Because the weight is same.
ma'am, it's
Only the space the book will take more compared to the remote. Yes, it's written. Both are 1 kilogram. Both, according to the weight, both are same. But when you see the 1 kilogram cotton will take more space to keep, and 1 kilogram iron will take less space to keep. Yes or no?
yes.
Excuse
But
me, ma'am.
if they are with the proper measurement of 1 kilogram, both the weights are same, then both are equal. You cannot say that the iron is more heavier than the cotton.
But when we hold 1 kilogram iron and 1 kilogram cotton, the iron feels more heavier than cotton.
Any doubt to any child in this, Dhwani? You were trying to speak something.
Yes, ma'am. In the next page here, it is space, or in my only it is space, because maybe here something little bit is visible.
Nothing is given for which we are going to fill it. किसी के लिए भी नहीं given है.
Yes, there is in my also space.
This is an activity which you are going to complete it.
My also there. Ma'am, Vianney is saying right.
Please mute your mic. Let her complete. Yes, Dhwani.
Ma'am, at last, can I tell you about the worksheet?
Tell you about the?
Worksheet which you sent yesterday.
Yeah, we will discuss at the last. You stay in the class, okay? So now, the Insan went for a shopping. The Insan went for a shopping and bought some things. His younger brother cut the end of the bill where the weights were written. Guess the weight and use the gram and the kilogram. Rice, 5 क्या होगा ये?
kg.
Why it cannot be gram?
Because
5 gram rice तो कोई नहीं लेके आएगा ना?
no.
Yes. And sugar is 1.
kg.
Mustard seeds 10.
Gram.
Wheat is 3
Kilogram.
kilogram kg. Dal is 500
Gram.
500 gram. 500 kilogram तो कोई भी दाल नहीं लेके आ रहा होगा. Tea 250 gram or kilogram.
Gram.
Pepper 25 kilograms.
Gram.
So with this, you got the idea that which things we bring in kilogram and which things we bring in gram.
Yes, ma'am. Understand?
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now there was a one girl. She was measuring the toys, and with the in the balance scale or in the weighing scale, she was measuring that which will be the heavier, the car or the tractor or the truck. So what do you think? Which will be more heavier in the real life?
Truck.
Car, bus, or the tractor?
Truck.
I think the tractor is having more bigger wheels.
Ma'am, track.
Tractor is more heavier.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Tractor engine is so heavy. So tractor is heavy.
Okay.
Ma'am, tractor tire will be 5 or 6 kg.
Now there is one story of an elephant.
Ma'am, it is looking like a chapter 13. It is looking at like a different chapter.
Elephant weight. Now what they have to do is, one day there was a king. One day there was a king, and the king was not well. He was having a stomach pain. So what he did is he told that none of the palace doctor could cure his pain. The king then said, anyone who cures my pain will get gold equal to the weight of an elephant. And the king was very clever, as well as what?
Smart.
Smart. Because can anyone is able to do the weight of an elephant?
Ma'am, it
How
can
can
be.
we weight? Because there is no weighing scale for elephant to weight.
Ma'am, it can be more than 50 kg or 100 kg.
We are not here for guessing the weight of an elephant. We are not guessing the weight of an elephant. I am just asking, will you able to weight the elephant on any of the weighing scale?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Krishapuria is saying yes. So let me ask, can you give me idea how you are going to weight an elephant?
Ma'am, they also said yes.
Which weighing scale? Is there any weighing scale in India or the world? Is there any weighing scale in India or in the world to weight the elephant?
Put it in a big boat. Ma'am, we can take an elephant and a big boat and put the elephant in the boat.
That is the activity which is given in the book. I'm not asking about that. About the boat one, which we will discuss. But I am asking the general question: is there any weighing scale?
There is no scale.
To find the weight of an elephant? No. So that is the reason, because सब उसको पता है कि elephant का weight तो कोई नहीं कर पाएगा. Then he was very smart. That's the reason he told कि मैं उतना gold दूंगा जितना कि weight of an elephant है. But then there was one doctor, Vedika. She cured him. And then she asked, okay, I cure you and you are now okay. You give me the gold. Then he said, okay. But the greedy king did not want to give her the gold, so he had thought of a trick. Okay, first find the weight of an elephant, then I will give you the much gold. So बोला ठीक है, मुझे elephant का weight पता करने दो. Then I will give you. और पता तो होगा ही नहीं weight. Then she came home and she was very upset, and she shared this views with her daughter that this had happened with me. Her daughter gave an idea. Tell king to bring boat and one elephant. Then doctor told to king that okay, bring one boat and elephant. Boat, B-O-A-T, boat. Then king was thinking कि ये mad तो नहीं हो गई, पागल तो नहीं हो गई कि boat का और king elephant का what she will do with these two things. Okay, वो लेके गया. And the that she was also very sharp. What she did, she first put the empty boat in the water, right? सी में डाल दी उसने, पानी में, रिवर में. एंड देन व्हाट शी डिड, जब बोट पानी में जाएगी, जब कोई भी चीज आप पानी में डालते हो तो उसका भी कुछ वेट होता है, और वो कितनी अंदर तक जाती है आपको पता लगेगा. When this is the remote, if I put it in the water, then you will come to know ये कितने पानी में गई, because it's a heavy thing, heavy object है, right? And once it will go in the water, you will mark the water level कि यहाँ तक गई, right? Same they also did. पहले खाली बोट को उन्होंने पानी में डाला, and they mark the level, and then they mark the level of the boat. Okay, okay, how much the boat is going inside the river. Then what they did, they put the elephant in the boat, and again they sent the boat along with the elephant in the water. Now what they did, now, the second level along with the elephant. Now can you complete, Pritika, the story?
Yes, ma'am.
What had happened in the last?
Ma'am, then the elephant was without elephant. Then the king should be keep the gold in the boat, and when the elephant marked, there was the gold and weight.
Yes. Now what they did, up to the second level, they put the gold inside the boat. That gold is the weight of an elephant. Got it? Arnav. So this way they have find out what is the weight of an elephant. Any doubt to any child till here? Understood the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood the concept, how they have find out the weight of an elephant?
Yes, ma'am.
How you will try with an elephant? With another object. Try this activity at home with the another object.
कैसे कर सकते हैं?
But where we present the elephant?
And we can
What has
elephant and do like this,
What happened?
and we can do also.
With elephant you cannot do. With the object you can do. You think that the another object, the stone or something heavy object which you have at home, right? Try this, how much it is going inside the water. Okay, students. Next tomorrow we will discuss the page number 143. Read these pages and come tomorrow in the class from 143 to 148. Then you will more understand it. Okay, rest everyone can leave. Dhwani, you wait.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.